Hi, I'm McCooke, a PhD student from the University of Exeter, and I'm going to be presenting a project I'm working on in collaboration with Cranfield University called BAMMsat on Bexus. Spaceflight is an extremely dangerous environment due to microgravity and cosmic radiation. The combined effects of this result in multiple adaptations resulting in poor health, and so greater understanding is required to provide more effective interventions. However, this is difficult as spaceflight is very expensive and there are very few astronauts to participate in these experiments. Due to this, animal models are used. C. elegans are one such model and are used due to the similarities in their genetics, organ architecture, and signaling and metabolic pathways with humans. It has also had its entire genome sequenced. Due to this, they are often used to help understand key cellular processes and research human diseases, and can be genetically altered to mimic genetic diseases and have green fluorescent protein from jellyfish inserted into their genome to allow the visualization and analysis of cellular markers. These nematode worms are well suited to spaceflight as they are a very small multicellular organism, about 1 millimeter in length, and they require very small volumes for hardware, which is crucial for spaceflight missions. The worms have also been used in previous spaceflight missions Ice First, Cerise, and MME. These missions have shown that the animals survive spaceflight and show the same adaptations to flight as humans do, most notably muscle loss, termed sarcopenia, and bone loss, osteoporosis. Both conditions are closely associated with advanced aging, and a single year in microgravity can accumulate the same amount of damage as 40 years of aging on Earth. Due to this, spaceflight is viewed as a model of accelerated aging. This is important not only for astronaut health, but also as successful interventions will also have a large impact on the aging population on Earth, as healthy aging is a major health concern as the reduced muscle mass and function both on Earth and in spaceflight results in low quality of life and an increased mortality rate. BAMMsat stands for Bioscience, Astrobiology, Medicine and Materials on CubeSat. Our mission is to provide a low-cost automated platform to increase spaceflight access for bioscience researching microgravity and ionic radiation. This October, we have a stratospheric balloon flight aboard the Bexus platform to increase our technology readiness level. Balloon experiments for university students, or Bexus, places our hardware at high altitude at near vacuum in order to simulate the kind of environment our external hardware will experience during spaceflight. One of the interesting features of BAMMsat is the microfluidic system, allowing 32 independent samples to be fed and dosed automatically and completely independently, and thus requiring no astronaut interaction. Another key feature is the imaging system, capable of capturing images and videos of each sample chamber. For BAMMsat on Bexus, we will be using a white light camera, but can be exchanged for a fluorescent microscope. The internal thermal system and pressure vessel acts as an incubator, keeping the samples at an optimum temperature. These features combined allow BAMMsat to be completely independent and allows biological samples to be sent beyond low Earth orbit and into deep space. To conclude, the world has an ever-aging population, but with this increase in lifespan there is also an increase in frailty and low quality of life. Spaceflight accelerates the aging process and requires significant advancement in understanding and intervention for mission beyond Mars. BAMMsat will offer a cheap and reliable platform for researching the harmful effects of microgravity and ionic radiation during spaceflight. Thank you very much for watching, and please follow us on social media and visit our website.